Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify batch versus streaming consistency with Delta Lake, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred cloud environment, such as AWS or Azure. Ensure that you have the Delta Lake library properly installed in your environment. Next, set up your Spark session with Delta Lake enabled. Import the necessary libraries including Delta Lake. Create a sample Delta table to work with, using random data for demonstration purposes. Insert several records into the Delta table to create a baseline for verification. Next, initiate a batch operation on your Delta table. For this, you can use a simple append operation to add more data. Create a new batch data frame and write it to the Delta table. Now, run your streaming job by creating a streaming data frame from the same Delta table. Configure the streaming data frame to read continuously from the Delta table. Begin the streaming query that processes the incoming data in real time. While the streaming job is running, monitor the output to ensure data is being processed. Now, pause the batch job to simulate a delay and analyze the current state of data. Use Delta Lake's built-in functionalities to retrieve the latest version of your data. Check the data in both the streaming and batch processes to ensure they reflect consistent values. With the batch process paused, let's update the Delta table with new records again. Resume your batch job to append the new data to the table. After resuming the batch job, observe the streaming output again. Verify that the streaming data reflects the updated state of the Delta table. Next, implement a checkpointing mechanism for your streaming job. Review the stored checkpoint to confirm successful data frames have been processed. To finalize, stop both the batch and streaming jobs to close the processes. Conduct a final consistency check between the data from the batch and streaming outputs. Discuss key observations that highlight the strengths of using Delta Lake for consistency. Conclude with insights on potential use cases for batch and streaming data in Delta Lake environments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.